Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Bank of America credit card account step by step clearly. To reset your Bank of America credit card account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Bank of America website. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to access the login page. On the login page, look for the Forgot ID or Password link. Click on this link to proceed with the reset process. You will be directed to a new page with options for account recovery. Select the option that pertains to resetting your password. Enter your credit card number, online ID, or other identification information as prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once you have verified your identity, proceed to create a new password. Choose a password that is secure and meets the specified requirements. After setting your new password, return to the login page. Enter your online ID and the new password you just created. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. You should now be logged into your Bank of America credit card account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Bank of America's customer service for assistance. Always remember to log out of your account after each session for security purposes. You're now ready to manage your Bank of America credit card account with your new credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.